Welcome back to RevCheck, where we take you inside the latest and most exciting motorhomes the world has to offer. Today we're diving into the luxurious and highly anticipated 2026 Jayco Motorhome. Jacko has been a household name in the RV industry for decades, but the 2026 model takes things to a completely new level. With a fresh approach to design, comfort, and functionality, Jacko has aimed not just to meet expectations but to exceed them in every possible way. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone just beginning to explore the RV lifestyle, the 2026 Jacko brings an unmatched sense of freedom, mobility, and style that makes it a true home on wheels. Starting from the outside, the 2026 Jayco Motorhome is an absolute hit. Its aerodynamic profile has been improved for better fuel efficiency, and the sleek body lines make it look more like a luxury tour bus than a typical RV. LED accent lighting and high-gloss paint give it a premium, almost futuristic appearance. The massive panoramic windshield offers breathtaking views while driving, and the retractable awning with integrated LED lights extends effortlessly at the push of a button, creating the perfect outdoor lounge area no matter where you're parked. There's even an external entertainment system with a weatherproof flat-screen TV and high-quality marine-grade speakers, ideal for tailgating or relaxing outside on warm evenings. Stepping inside, the first thing that hits you is how spacious and refined everything feels. Jacko has truly mastered the art of interior design with this 2026 model. The living area is clad in high-end materials, from soft-touch leather seating to handcrafted hardwood cabinetry. The floor plan is brilliantly laid out to maximize the space while keeping movement fluid and natural. Plush recliners and a convertible sleeper sofa make the lounge area perfect for both entertaining guests and enjoying quiet nights. The lighting is all LED and fully dimmable, allowing you to adjust the ambience to your liking, whether it's movie night or a romantic dinner on the road. The kitchen is another standout feature of the 2026 Jacko. It's equipped with appliances, including a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, a 3-burner cooktop with a glass cover, a convection microwave oven, and even a dishwasher in some trims. The solid surface countertops and deep stainless steel sink with a high-arch faucet make prep and cleanup a breeze. There's ample cabinet space, all soft close, and the pantry is large enough for extended road trips. You'll find hidden outlets and USB ports thoughtfully integrated, so you can keep everything charged without cluttering the space. As for dining, the Jacko gives you multiple options depending on your layout. There's a freestanding dinette with comfortable upholstered chairs in one trim, while other variants offer a more classic booth setup with under-seat storage. Either way, it's more than just a place to eat, it's a great workspace or game. Night zone. Massive windows surround the dining area, giving you views that rival any luxury resort. Moving toward the back, the bathroom setup is surprisingly elegant for a motorhome. You'll find a spacious shower with a glass door and skylight that fills the space with natural light. The water pressure is strong thanks to the onboard water management system, and there's even an instant water heater so you never have to worry about running out of hot water. The vanity area includes a backlit mirror, ample countertop space, and real ceramic fixtures that rival those in most upscale homes. Storage is smartly designed, with medicine cabinets, towel racks, and even hidden compartments for toiletries. The bedroom in the 2026 Jacko is all about comfort. Depending on the floor plan, you get a king or queen size bed with a premium memory foam mattress. There's accent lighting above the headboard, blackout roller shades for maximum privacy and sleep quality, and plenty of overhead and underbed storage. The wardrobe is impressively spacious with sliding doors and even has washer-dryer prep in select models. A wall-mounted smart TV, USB charging ports on both sides of the bed, and built-in reading lights complete the bedroom experience, making it perfect for winding down after a long day of travel. The driving experience is where the 2026 Jayco really separates itself. Built on a reliable and powerful chassis, either Ford Freightliner or Mercedes-Benz depending on the model, it delivers a smooth, responsive ride. The cockpit is fully digital, featuring a modern infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and GPS navigation. There's adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras that make maneuvering this large vehicle feel like a breeze. The driver and passenger seats are both captain style with full swivel, heating, and even massage functions in the higher-end trims. Safety has been given serious attention, with advanced driver assistance systems that help prevent accidents and keep your journey as smooth as possible. Features like tire pressure monitoring, anti-lock brakes, and stability control are standard. Plus, Jayco has reinforced the entire frame for better crash protection and road durability. You can feel confident driving in all types of conditions, from open highways to narrow mountain passes. When it comes to tech, Jayco has gone all out. The entire motorhome is smart controlled via a central touchscreen or mobile app. You can adjust lighting, climate, awnings, slides, and even monitor tank levels right from your phone. There's built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, 5G signal booster, and even optional satellite TV setup. The sound system is Dolby-tuned with speakers strategically placed for immersive audio throughout the cabin. Asterisk storage is always a concern in RV, but not in the 2026 Jayco. Both interior and exterior storage have been maximized. Outside you get huge pass-through storage bays with LED lighting and slam latch doors. Inside, every nook has been used efficiently under beds. Inside steps. Behind TV panels, Jacko has left no dead space unused. Fuel efficiency has been improved thanks to the lighter composite materials used in construction and the updated engine technology. Solar panels on the roof are now standard in many configurations, allowing for better off-grid capabilities. There's also a lithium battery system paired with an inverter that can power essential systems for hours without the generator. Is ideal for campers who prefer boondocking or staying in remote locations. All in all, the 2026 Jayco Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's luxurious yet practical, high-tech yet easy to use, and stylish without compromising durability. Whether you're hitting the road for a weekend getaway or planning months of travel, this motorhome delivers everything you could ask for and then some. Jacko has once again proved why it remains a leader in the RV space, offering not just transportation but a mobile living experience that feels like a 5-star suite on wheels. So, if you're considering investing in a premium motorhome that offers the best of all worlds, the 2026 Jayco should definitely be at the top of your list. Thanks for riding with RevCheck, and we'll catch you on the next road adventure.